He is Dr. Bhavit Natuvetti, rank 29, NEET PG 2022. So hopefully in this session we learn about his tips and tricks to crack NEET PG. Have you ever watched topper interviews before you started preparing?
Yeah, definitely I have watched a lot. Actually, even before 2021 NEET, I have watched a lot of the topper interviews because it helped me shape my own plan to go at NEET 2022.
Any key takeaways you got from those videos?
They actually told me the number of revision you had to go through and about what to revise before going to an exam. About keeping an extra book to write the extra points which you have to go through before going to an exam.
So revision, that is one. To have an extra very important book where you put down all the
Important points.
Okay. So what do you put down there? It's like important points or points you keep forgetting?
Yeah, actually the points which I kept on forgetting and like tables and the factual topics which are repeatedly asked. These are the topics which I put into my extra notebook.
Fantastic. So you had only one extra notebook or you had more than one?
More than one.
Was it a very big one?
No.
Okay, great.